One of the innovations in recent times is the creation of bone conduction headphones, but oftentimes it's quite hard to find one that meets all the intricate criteria to make one good. So today I think we've kind of found the one. So today's headphones were sent over to me by Mojava for review, and although these were sent over to me, no money has exchanged hands, and I will share with you my honest and unbiased opinion. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future tech reviews. So these headphones retails for $140 and it's pretty much the price you will pay for most premium bone conduction headphones, with some brands charging even more than this. So if you're interested in buying these headphones, do check out my links in the description below. So design-wise, there isn't anything too special about the Run Plus bone conduction headphones, and the most bone conduction headphones all have very similar and standard headphones design in order to incorporate all of the components and drivers you need that this thing needs. But there are a few things that makes the Mojawa unique, so let's talk about them. So first of all, the entire frame of these headphones is made of a titanium material, which is a premium material found usually on spectacle frames to keep weight down, and the purpose of it implemented here is also mainly for weight reduction purposes. So the frame here is also wrapped with a smooth rubbery material to give the headphones additional grip and comfort when using them. And the overall design here is also very light, weighing in shy of 30 grams, which is honestly really light. However, despite it being so light, there is also nothing about this headphone that feels cheap or badly made. The construction is very strong and premium, and the band also has a really good stretch, and you can stretch it and use it without having to worry about breaking it. So moving forward, you're also going to get the main unit on the headphones here, and you will also use their proprietary charger to charge it up and also to transfer music into the headphones, which is cool. Another features that I have not seen integrated to most bone conduction headphones is a touch sensor. And of course, touch sensors are not new technology that we've seen in earbuds all the time, but what we get here is also a swipe support touch control so that you can swipe for volume up and down. And did I also mention that this thing lights up when you turn on the headphones, which is super awesome. So in front here is the main bone conduction unit, and you get the standard vibration and everything, and on the left side is also a clicky button. So here is a clicky button to control majority of the controls. So battery life is good, but not the greatest when comparing to other bone conduction headphones. It comes with 8 hours of battery life when played at 75% volume, which is great because volume on these headphones is one of the more impressive features. So charging the headphones is also extremely fast at only 50 minutes for a full charge. Usually I'm very disappointed with bone conduction headphones volume since they are very soft most of the time, but with the Run Plus you actually get decent volume at 50% volume, and you can actually enjoy them without running out of volume like other bone conduction headphones. It gets decently loud at 90% volume, and you do get a tiny bit of noise leak with these headphones, but that is to be expected from any open style or bone conduction headphones. And surprisingly, at 90% volume, I do not have that ticklish tempo feelings you get with most bone conduction headphones. Yes, you can feel it vibrate, but it's not ticklish like some other competitions, and even at 100%, it still feels great. Feature on the Run Plus is also really good, and it really is what I'm searching for in any bone conduction headphones. For starters, this comes with a Bluetooth 5.2 chipset supporting AAC and SPC codec, where most manufacturers like Nainka would only spec it with an SPC chipset, figuring that audio resolution may not be concerned for bone conduction headphones, but it actually does, and the Mojava actually sounds good. The headphones come spec with an IP68 dust and water resistant rating, meaning you will get the pinnacle of water protection here, and Mojava also rates this as swimmable to a depth of 2 meters and 2 hours, which is great because considering some headphones like the Creative Outlier Free, which has good IP rating but needs a rubber piece to block water from the mic, the Mojawa actually wins in that respect. So you also get the most invaluable features in any bone conduction headphones, which is that MP3 feature. And although many companies spec their headphones with a measly 8GB or 16GB of storage, the Mojawa has an industry-leading 32GB of storage for you to store your entire library of music, so you don't need to go run or swim with your phone. And also, Mojawa says that these headphones are NBA legend T-Max choice, I'm personally not an NBA fan and this really doesn't have much impact on me, but Mojawa also says that this is tuned by 5 Grammy-winning audio producers, and honestly the headphone sounds good, but it's not Grammy-winning audio quality, so that's my thoughts. So finally, there is no multi-point connectivity on these headphones as well. So sound quality wise, this is one of the best bone conduction headphone sound quality that I've heard so far in my reviews of many bone conduction headphones, and I have reviewed many. So the Run Plus comes with very nice balanced sound signature. It has a very complex driver design that uses a dual suspension anchor and also a maglev bass technology to produce deep resonating bass. Well, let's start with the bass, and if you see these specs on the box and you think that these headphones or earbuds will have insane bass, be careful because no bone conduction in the world have remotely good bass due to science and how bone conduction headphone works. So what you get here is a slightly more dynamic sound signature compared to your standard bone conduction headphones. They sound good, but bass is still pretty much flat. However, when we move towards the mids and highs, this is where the clarity of these headphones shine. Mids is very clear and nice and has a present, non-recessed sound signature that brings out the best of vocals. Highs is also decent. They're not high-res audio quality highs, but honestly clear enough that you can hear good separations between instruments, which is already a testimony of how good these bone conduction really is. Overall, I think this is one of the best sounding bone conduction headphones I've tested so far.
So this is a test to see if the Mojawa Run Plus is a good headphones for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these headphones. What do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
Latency is not the best with these headphones, and you do get quite a noticeable delay when using this for games like PUBG, and since there is no gaming mode on these headphones, you will see almost a 1 bullet lag behind the visuals. So there is also a tiny lag with movies and videos, but still pretty usable. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these headphones. So after testing these headphones, is something that I would keep and use for my runs and swim. I think this is one of the best offers you get for bone conduction headphones at this point. Great materials, great features, and most importantly, great sound. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash the thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.